In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to Slack on your mobile phone using a QR code. It's fast, simple, and super convenient. Let's get started. First, open Slack on your desktop or web browser and make sure you're logged into your workspace. Next, click on your workspace name in the top left corner. From the menu, select Get the Mobile App. A QR code will now appear on your screen. Now grab your phone and open your camera app or any QR code scanner. Scan the QR code displayed on your computer. After scanning, you'll be redirected to the App Store or Google Play Store. Download and install the Slack mobile app. Once the app is installed, open it and tap Sign In. Choose your preferred sign-in method, such as Sign In with Google, and select your account. Tap Continue and allow any required permissions. Slack will automatically sign you into your workspace on mobile. And that's it. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.